Zotero Bib is an easy way to cite your sources in a variety of styles without downloading the Zotero connector or application. We'll get started at zbib.org. To cite a website, simply paste in the website's URL and click Cite. Once you've started adding sources, you can select your citation style. You can change this later, so if you're not sure what style to use, that's just fine. To cite a scholarly article, paste in the DOI. The DOI is a digital object identifier, which works as a unique code that identifies and links to scholarly articles and other items. To cite a book, copy the ISBN. Much like the DOI, this is a unique identifier for this edition of a book. You can find the ISBN in the catalog record in the database, or you can find it by searching for the title of the book on Amazon. You can edit any of these entries by clicking on them and then editing the appropriate field. When you're finished, click Copy to Clipboard. You can then paste your bibliography into a document or wherever it needs to go. If you have any questions about using Zotero or Zotero Bib, please contact the library.